Hello traders, welcome to this channel. I have these running trades to show you that what I'm about to explain to you actually works. Okay, this is the most simple strategy in my opinion, and it is so powerful. It is so powerful. I placed these trades when I was trying to improve the strategy, looking at the places where we usually go wrong or where I usually go wrong when I analyze. So after making those adjustments, I've been able to get these results. I didn't close any. I was just placing trades. Okay, let's say today. I was just placing trades and then watching the results. And I have most of the analysis right here. I'll show you all that when I start explaining how to look at the chart. And if you are in my trading community right here, I actually may send the video that has the updates or the improvements that I have made. So make sure you watch that video till the end. It's going to help you. If you want to be here, I'll leave the link in the video description. So let's get to the video traders. I want to show you how easy it is to do this thing. The strategy has not changed, okay? It has not changed. The only people that make it complicated are the traders. I'm telling you, they are the traders. I'm going to show you this. You will be so amazed, okay? First step, make sure that you can see a pattern like this. This is what I call the trend. Make sure you can see something like this. If you can't see something like this, skip that thing. You skip that pair, because you are supposed to go through all these pairs in the morning, especially after the London session when the market is already moving. You look through these pairs on the same time frame. You can just stick to the 1 minute time frame and make sure that your chart, let's just remove this, make sure that your chart covers a bigger part of your screen. Whether you are trading on mobile or computer, adjust your chart well. See if you can be able to see that pattern that I showed you. Let's take this for the example. Okay, if you look at this thing right here, it almost makes sense. And if I was watching this, what I was going to do, remember, you mark the last key level or turning point, or you would also mark this one as your last key level. Remember that on the strategy, okay, let's just explain for those who just joined the channel. As you watch this, okay, you wait until you see the last step or last key level being broken. You want to see price closing above that last step, and then it is a buy setup for you. Your stop loss is below there. So let me show you again. Okay, so right here you were supposed to buy there. Let me show you why I placed this trade. Okay, and these setups, I shared them in my trading community. Okay, all the setups I'm going to be showing you are found here. This was the setup, and to find that setup, okay, same thing, same strategy. You see this pattern right here. Okay, let me just circle it. See this pattern right here. It's exactly what I am talking about. And that lower point was the last key level. Price came to close below it, and then I saw it a bit late. Otherwise, I would have placed that sell trade somewhere there, okay, where price closed below in a full candle. So this was supposed to be somewhere there, okay, but then I saw it late. I entered there, and then you just leave price to do the rest. Okay, let me show you another one. Okay, it's not magic or being very smart. You don't need to be very smart to be able to do this. You see right here what I told you, you must see this pattern, whether an uptrend or a downtrend. Bottom line, price must give you a downward or upward zigzag, and then you wait to see the last step being broken, and then that's all, my friends, that's all. So right there, this was the upward zigzag like movement, and then I marked that last key level. Price came to close below it. At least I saw this one earlier, placed the trade, and then you let price do the rest. Okay, in the video that I said you should watch or download, you are going to see how you are supposed to mark your targets. I've explained it there clearly. Okay, so I'll leave that for those who are going to get that video. Let's go to another one. Okay, USD JPY. I just want to show you the entry rule. Okay, this was the pattern that I am talking about. Okay, see this pattern, that's the one I'm talking about. And what you look at is simply the last step, the last turning point. You mark it, price closes above it in a full candle, you place a buy, and then you let price to do the rest. It's as easy as that, I'm telling you. Okay, I also had another trade here, NZD CAD. You see that always once you see price doing this movement, all you do is wait. You wait for the last step to be broken. Okay, that was the last turning point, that one. Price closed below it there, I placed the sell trade, and then I let the market do the rest. It's nothing difficult. It's nothing difficult. Okay, let's check here. Had two trades here. Unfortunately, I didn't update this one in the trading group. Okay, I only had the first one. Must have been this one. I only had this one, and then this one I only placed it for myself. Okay, so right here, this was the setup or the pattern that I look for. Okay, a downward zigzag or a trend, whatever you call it. You don't need to be familiar with the terms. All you want to see is price coming to close above the last key level. Okay, you want to see price closing above in a full candle. That's all, and that's what happened right here. One can say that was the last key level, another one can say that was the last key level. Bottom line, price closed above both of them, and then I placed the trade. Okay, but you must make sure that price has closed above in a full candle, and then you can place the trade, put your stop loss below. Okay, and then you let price do the rest. Okay, right here, let me show you why I took the second trade. It's not a clean trend, but it's still the same thing, my friends. Okay, if you look at this downward move, it was making that zigzag, and then that was the last turning point. I marked it, price came to close above it. I saw it a bit late, placed the trade, and then price did the rest. Okay, price did the rest. You see that? Let's do this. You see that price has actually closed even on this one. Take profit has been hit. It's nothing difficult. It's nothing difficult. So right now, if you look at this, you have an upward trend, and all you focus on are these turning points. Every time price gives you this, you mark it. You wait to see if price will come to close above it. If it doesn't close above it, it comes back and then it moves back up. You simply delete your previous analysis and you mark your new one. Okay, so right now this is your new key level. Okay, price went up and it's now coming below. You just wait to see if price will make it and close below this, and then you sell. The reason why you cannot rely on this one is because when price went up, okay, when price went up from here, it did not close above this level. Okay, didn't close above, instead it came back, and then right there it went to close above it. Okay, and then it came back. So right now it's here. I can forgive you if you can mark that as a key level. Okay, I can forgive you if you can mark that thing as a key level, and that price has already closed below there, and then you place your sell trade, okay, like that. That mistake can be forgiven. Okay, so this is how you do it. If you lose some of the trades, don't feel bad. In the process of time, you will learn to understand even other things. Okay, you will learn to understand other things. I've mentioned some extra information in that video, so check the video description, download that video. That's it, my friends. Trading is not hard. It's not hard. It is as simple as that. I will see you in my next video with extra information to help you in your trading journey. Thank you for watching.